Dang, man, that's sick. I'm not used to this kind of stuff. My Ender 3 could never, never. Yo, this is an update video, or I guess a review on the new Neptune 4 Plus. I did finish. I'm gonna build this while I'm talking or whatever, but just real quick, just kind of little things that I really liked about it, and yeah, what I did. So I built this because I had it on this little desk and it was shaking because it moves so fast. It does 200 milliseconds, millimeters a second, and it's been great. It's steady, it's stable, and there's no more shaking. I barely made it enough space to where this goes to the back and doesn't hit, so that's good. I haven't needed to use these three fans in the back, but that's probably because I haven't pushed it to to like 500 millimeters per second. So I've been staying safe on the 200. As far as okay, so I updated this to the newest one, but I didn't read the instructions, and damn, dude, this is dirty already. I didn't listen to the instructions, so when you do update it, you have to install the repair file first, and then install the new update, and then you update this, you open the back, and then you put a SD card in it, and then it updates the little screen too. So I went in through a whole rabbit hole. I had to downgrade it and then do it all over again, and then now it works, because I would try getting to the level and it wouldn't even it would get stuck and it wouldn't even pass that, and then I tried going to prepare and it just reset on me. So that was pretty bad. That was in the very beginning. I did the test print and it worked, and then I updated it and then I just fucked it all up. But yeah, so this I printed. The quality has been amazing. I did the texture because I wanted to test to see how well it does, because there's they had the the clear or the clean smooth version, but this is, yeah, look at this. This is sick. There's a little hairs and fuzzies, but I mean that's nothing. But I haven't even sanded anything. I might just need to sand a little bit there. But this is fucking amazing, man. Look at that shit. There's that, and then I think I did this mouth. This is a little mouthpiece. There's a lot of fuzzies with it. I don't know if that's definitely the filament. That's not dust. But I mean, it's not causing an issue. And I wanted to make this mask without spray painting, because I wanted to test the quality to see how well it does just on its own. So this is supposed to be red. Luckily I had red filament, and the eyes were white. Well, I gotta pop that, but yeah, without any sanding, without any filler primer or any resin or UV resin or anything like that. So I'm gonna put all this together, and yeah, I'll see how it is. Okay, another great thing too, I haven't had any failed prints. The only one I did have is when I was doing this mask. Instead of putting it like this to sit, I put it like that, and I guess it didn't like it, I don't know, so it fell over and I got all this spaghetti, black spaghetti. But other than that, I haven't had any issues with it sticking to the plate. I haven't needed to put any spray paint or anything, which is really good. I mean spray paint, hairspray. It came with a glue stick. I don't know where that is. It came with a glue stick, but it gets really sticky, kind of like this, and it just sticks there forever. I mean, I have washed it in the sink, and then it goes back to normal, but it just gets in the way and it starts clumping up. But it's been very good. I run my temps at 218. Where are you? Where'd he go? Oh. So 218 and 60. I got that from Uncle Jesse, and also the profiles that I'm using from Uncle Jesse as well. I'll link those in the bottom. But yeah, let me stop talking and let me go. I gotta put some magnets here, and then go try it on. I haven't even tried it on. I scaled this to 103. If you want to know how to match your head to a helmet, I can make another video for that. But yeah, okay, bye.
It's windy outside, everything's falling. Really didn't need a sand. Any of the front. I don't know what shit is. See, that's smooth. I graded this. I'm scared. Alright. Does it fit? Does it fit? Ah. Oh, it fits. It fits. That's funny. Alright. See it back. Okay, we got the back on. How's that look? Yeah? See if it works. Ah! Damn! How's it looking? How's it looking? It's good. I think everything's on right, yeah.